Fourth problem. If two zeros of a polynomial are 2 plus or minus root 3 and find other zeros. Okay. In the given question, they have given a polynomial having a higher degree of 4. That is, there is a chance of getting zeros at most 4. Okay. In the question itself, they have given two zeros. That is 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. And they want to find the remaining two zeros by using the given two zeros. Okay. The given two zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Okay. When we want to write it in the factor format, that is x minus 2 plus or minus root 3. That is x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. From this, x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus root 3, and we have to squaring on both sides. We are getting x minus 2 whole square is equal to 3. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 3. This implies x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. We can clearly say that x square minus 4x plus 1 is a quadratic equation and it is a factor of the given polynomial. So if we want to get another two zeros, we want to divide the given polynomial with this quadratic polynomial, and whatever the quotient we have obtained, by simplifying this coefficient, we are getting the remaining two zeros. Okay. Now, so in division process, we always take divisor as left side and dividend in between, and remainder and coefficient as right side. Okay. Now, in division process, the first step we have to do is we have to check what is the highest power of x term that is present in divisor. It is x squared. Now, what is the highest power of x term that is present in the dividend? That is x power 4. So, if you want to make x squared as x power 4, I want to multiply with some coefficient, that is x squared. So, if you want to multiply it x squared, I am getting x power 4 minus 4x cube plus x squared. Okay. Now, after multiplying, we have to reverse the symbols to its alternative. That is, plus term can be replaced by minus term, and minus term can be replaced with plus term. So, we are getting x power 4 and x power 4 as cancelled, and minus 6x cube plus 4x cube, that is minus 2x cube, and minus 26x square and minus x square, that is minus 27x square, and we have to borrow down this term, that is plus 138x. Okay. Again, now we have to check what is the highest power of x term present in the divisor, that is x square, and what is the highest term of x square that is present in the dividend, that is minus 2x cube. So I want to convert x square into minus 2x cube by multiplying with the coefficient minus 2x. So minus 2x is added in the coefficient. So if I multiply minus 2x with the whole term, I am getting minus 2x cube plus 8x square minus 2x. Now, after multiplication, we have to change the symbols for the given equation, and we have to perform addition for this. Then we are getting minus 2x cube and plus 2x cube will get cancelled, and minus 27x square and minus 8x square, which is equal to minus 35x square, and plus 138x plus 2x, which is 140x, and we have to brought down this 35. Okay. Now, again, we have to check what is the highest power of x that is present in the divisor, that is x squared, and what is the highest power of x term that is present in the dividend, that is minus 35x squared. So if we want to convert x squared into minus 35x squared, then we have to multiply with coefficient of minus 35. So minus 35 is added in the coefficient. Now, after multiplication, we are getting minus 35x squared plus 140x minus 35. Okay. Now, we have to change the symbols to its alternatives before performing addition. So, after addition, what you are getting? Minus 35x squared and plus 35x squared gets cancelled, and plus 140x and minus 140x are get cancelled, and minus 35 and plus 35 are get cancelled. So, 0 remains as remainder. Okay. Now, the quotient which is obtained is a quadratic equation, and we know that this coefficient, when a quadratic equation is given, how to find the zeros for it. Okay. The main step is that I want to split the middle term, that is minus 2x term, into two subterms in which it satisfies two conditions, that is the sum of the two terms which is equal to minus 2x and the product of the two terms which is equal to multiplication of x squared into minus 35, that is minus 35x squared. Okay, so that I want to write x squared minus 7x plus 5x is equal to 0. So if I take x as a common, x minus 7, and if I take 5 as a common, x minus 7. Again, if I take x minus 7 as common, x minus 7 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So if I equate it to 0, I am getting x minus 7 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0, which results in x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 5. These are the two values for which the given polynomial equation becoming 0. Hence, the zeros of the given polynomial are 2 plus or minus root 3 and x is equal to 7 comma x is equal to minus 5. If the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x squared minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x squared minus 2x plus k, then the remainder comes out to be x plus a. Then find k and a. Okay. In the given question, they are given two polynomials, and if first polynomial is divided by second polynomial, then the remainder comes out to be x plus a. So they are asking us to find k and a values. Okay. In the division process, we always take divisor at left hand side and dividend in middle, and we have to write coefficient at right side. Okay. Let us start the division process. In the division process, first we have to check what is the highest power of x term present in the divisor, that is x squared, and what is the highest power of x term present in the dividend, that is x power 4. Now I want to write x squared in term into x power 4 with the multiplication of some coefficient, that is I can convert x squared into x power 4 by multiplication of x squared as a coefficient. So now if I multiply x squared with the total term, then I am getting x squared into x squared, that is x power 4, minus 2x into x squared, that is minus 2x cube, plus k into x squared, which is equal to kx squared. Okay. Now after multiplication, we have to alternate with the symbols, that is plus term can be replaced with minus and minus term can be replaced with plus. So after that we have to perform addition. So plus x power 4 and minus x power 4 get cancelled, and 6x cube plus 2x cube, that is minus 4x cube, and plus 16x squared minus kx squared, that is 16 minus kx squared minus 25x plus 10. Okay. Again, we want to see what is the highest power of x term present in the divisor, that is x squared, and what is the highest power of x term present in the dividend, that is minus 4x cube. So if you want to get x squared as minus 4x cube, I want to multiply with minus 4x as a coefficient. So if you want to multiply with minus 4x with the total term, I am getting minus 4x cube plus 8x squared and minus 4kx. Again, after multiplication, we have to change the symbols. Now after performing addition, we are getting minus 4x cube and plus 4x cube get cancelled, and 16 minus kx squared minus 8x squared, that is plus 8 minus kx squared, plus here minus 25x and plus 4x, that is 24 minus 4kx plus 10. Okay. Now again we have to check what is the highest power of x term present in the divisor, that is x squared, and what is the highest power of x term present in the dividend, that is 8 minus k. So if I want to make x square as 8 minus k x square, I want to multiply it with plus 8 minus k. So it was added in the coefficient. Now, if I multiplied with plus 8 minus k with the total whole term, I am getting 8 minus k x square minus 2 into 8 minus k into x plus k into 8 minus k. Okay. Again, we have to change the symbols to its alternatives, and after performing addition, we are getting 8 minus k x square and minus 8 minus k x square get cancelled, and the remaining terms are 4k minus 25 minus 2h plus 2h 16 and minus 2k into x plus 10 minus 8 plus k square. So these are the terms remain after this division process. Okay. Now if you compare the coefficient of x in the divisor, and if you compare the power of x in the dividend, we can clearly say that the degree of divisor is greater than the degree of dividend. Hence we can stop the division process here. And given that while performing division process, the remainder comes out to be as x plus a, but we are getting the remainder as 4k minus 25 plus 16 minus 2k into x plus 10 minus 8k plus k square. So if you want to make as x plus a, then we should keep in mind that this total, whatever the value inside the coefficient of x becomes 1. So for what value of k it becomes 1? So if you consider k is equal to 5, then 4 into 5, 20. 20 minus 25, that is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 16, that is plus 11. And plus 11 minus 10, which is equal to 1. So for k value of 5, we are getting this total term in the bracket becoming 1. So if we consider k is equal to 5, then this equation 10 minus 8 5 is 40 plus 25, that is minus 40 plus 10, that is minus 30, minus 40 plus 10, that is minus 30, and plus 25, which is equal to minus 5. If you consider k is equal to 5 in this equation, then we are getting x minus 5. But in the question they have given that the remainder comes as x plus a. So when it equals to x plus a, we are getting a is equal to minus 5.